Okay, so we're going to look at these two exponential equations. We're going to solve these. Each of these should take us maybe a minute and a half or so once we get the hang of it. So let's go. So first, I'm just going to give you the concept right quick, okay? And the concept is that if I have, let's say, 2 to the x power is equal to 2 to the 4th power, because the bases are the same, the exponents can be set to equal to each other. So we will say x is equal to 4, okay? Just another quick example, if I had 4 to the x minus 2 is equal to 4 to the 4th power. Again, the bases are the same, and so what I need to do is just simply equate the powers, okay? Therefore, I'm going to have x minus 2, which is the power on the left side, is equal to 4, which is the power on the right side. And of course, from there, we just solve. So we would transpose this 2, and I would have x is equal to 6, which is 4 plus 2. All right? So that's the general concept right there, all right? So let's go. So I'm looking at the first problem here. It says 16 to the x power is equal to 4 to the x plus 2. Now, clearly, these are not the same bases, right? 16 and 4 are not the same bases, but I do know that 16 is 4 squared. So this is really 4 squared raised to the x power is equal to 4 to the x plus 2. Now, according to my laws of indices, if I have a situation like this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply the exponents. So this is going to be equal to 4 to the 2 times x, which is simply 4 to the 2x. It's then equal to 4 to the x plus 2. Now I can simply equate the exponents because the bases are the same. So now I have 2x is equal to x plus 2, and I've got to get my x's together, so I got to take this one over here. So over here it's positive, so when I take it, it's going to be negative, so I'm going to have 2x minus x is equal to 2. Remember, 2 is left over here. So 2x minus x is x, so x then is equal to 2. And so that's my answer, x is equal to 2. All right. Now let's take a look at the other one. Now at this point, what you could also do is you could pause the video and try the other one if you like. All right. So let's take a look at the other one. So I have 2, and don't worry if it looks complicated. That's not what we're concerned about. We're just going to follow what we're taught to do. Okay. So this is 8 squared multiplied by 2 raised to the 2x plus 4. All right, so over here, this is already in a base of 2. What I know about 8 though is that 8 is 2 cubed. So this is 2 cubed, now raised to the 2nd power, multiplied by 2 raised to the 2x plus 4 power. Okay, and this stays the same for now. We didn't do anything here. There's nothing we need to do at this point over here. All right, so again, we're just bring this down. 4x minus 2. And now over here, we already learned this, right? So this is 2 to the 3rd power raised to the 2nd power. So then this becomes 2 to the 6th power because we multiply these, right? So this is 2 to the 6th power multiplied by 2 to the 2x plus 4. Now, again, we do nothing on the left-hand side. This remains the same. 4x minus 2. Now, right here, what we have is a situation where we have 2 to the something power multiplied by 2 to the something power. So according to our first law of indices, what we're going to do here, since it's the same base, we can just add these exponents. So this is then going to be 2 to the 6 plus 2x plus 4. So all we did right there was add these exponents, right? And so again, what we have here is 2 to the 4x minus 2 is equal to 2 to the 2x plus 10. How did I get plus 10? because I have 6 plus 2x plus 4. So the 6 and the 4 add to give me 10. So I have 2x plus 10. Now I'm at a point where all I have to do is equate these right here, right? The powers, because they're the same basis now, right? There's one term on the left and there's one term on the right, and they're the same basis. So I could say 4x minus 2 is equal to 2x plus 10. And from here, we're just doing basic one variable equations. So I'm going to take the x over here and take the constant over here. So this is going to be 4x minus 2x is equal to 10 plus 2. Note that the signs change. This was minus 2 over here. To go over here, it became positive 2. This was plus 2x over here. To go over here, it became a negative. So then this is 2x. 4x minus 2x is just 2x is equal to 12. Okay? And if we could just come over here for some space, 2x is equal to 12. So x then is equal to 12 divided by 2. So x then is equal to 6. Okay?
Other videos in this and other series are available. Like, share, and subscribe if you found the video helpful. If there's a topic you'd like to see us tackle, just let us know.